Hello students, this is class 10 subject mathematics. Today I am going to start first chapter real number, or this chapter is also be called as number system. The first question of this exercise 1.1 is use Euclid division algorithm to find the HCF of 135 and 225. In order to find the HCF, first of all we divide the larger number by the smaller according to long division method. So here if we divide 225 by 135, then we get quotient 1 and remainder 90. This is the first step. And when we divide 135 by 90, then we get quotient is 1 and remainder is 45. Again, we divide the 90, this divisor 90 by 45, we get quotient is 2 and remainder is 0. We continue to doing like this unless and until we get the remainder 0. Now we convert this format into Euclid division lemma. So first of all, what is Euclid division lemma? It is A equal to BQ plus R, where A is the dividend, B is the divisor, Q is the quotient, and R is the remainder. In the first step, the dividend is 225, divisor is 135, quotient is 1, and remainder is 90. So we have 225 equal to 135 into 1 plus 90. For the second step, here dividend is 135, divisor is 90, quotient is 1, and remainder is 45. So we write here 135 equal to 90 into 1 plus 45. For the third step, dividend equal to 90, divisor is 45, quotient is 2, and remainder is 0. So we write here 90 equal to 45 into 2 plus 0. HCF of these two numbers become 45. When the remainder equal to 0, at that point the 45, the divisor is called the HCF of these two numbers. For the second question, find the HCF of 196 and 38,220. First of all, we divide the larger number by the smaller. And here we see that in one step, the remainder become equal to 0. So there is no need to make the continued division further. So here the remainder we get is equal to 0. And we write this format into Euclid division lemma. So lemma is A equal to BQ plus R, dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Here dividend is 38,220, divisor is 196, quotient is 195, and remainder is 0. Now move to here, we get remainder 0. So HCF of these two numbers become 196. Now move to next question. HCF of 867 and 255. Here we divide the larger number by the smaller. When we divide 867 by 255, we get the quotient 3 and remainder 102. Again, we divide this divisor 255. We get quotient 2, remainder 51. Now again we divide this divisor 102 by 51. We get quotient 2 and remainder 0. And again we write these steps, all these steps according to Euclid division lemma. A equal to BQ plus R. Here 867 equal to 255 into 3 plus 102. We see here. And next step is 255 equal to 102 into 2 plus 51. And this is the second step. And third step, 102 equal to 51 into 2 plus 0. Here we get the remainder 0, and in this case, this divisor 51 is called the HCF of these two numbers. Now next question, move to next question of this exercise. Show that any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5, where q is some integer. In order to solve such type of questions, we have to write first of all, we have to write Euclid division lemma. That is, for given two positive integers a and b, there exist unique integers q and r such that a equal to bq plus r, where 0 is less than or equal to r is less than b. First of all, let b equal to 6. Possible value of r 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the possible value of a becomes 6q plus 0, 6q plus 1, 6q plus 2, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 4, 6q plus 5. But in the question, we are asked write only positive odd integers. So we select from here the positive odd integers. Odd are +1, +3, +5. These are the odd numbers, and we write 6k plus 1, 6k plus 3, 6k plus 5. Next question is, an army contingent of 616 members is to march behind an army band of 32 members in a parade. The two groups are to march in the same number of columns. What is the maximum number of columns in which they can march? First of all, we write the number of army contingent 616, number of band members 32, maximum number of columns in which they can march equal to HCF of 616 and 32. And again, we find the HCF by using long division method as we have done in first question, question number 1. And then write these in the equal division lemma, A equal to BQ plus R. So first of all, 616 equal to 32 into 19 plus 8. And then next step, 32 equal to 8 into 4 plus 0. Here remainder becomes 0, then 8 is the HCF of these two numbers. This is all about this exercise. Thanks and have a nice day.